10 simple steps to starting your own online business. Starting a small business can be a challenging and exciting venture. It requires determination, hard work, and a solid plan. In this video, we will provide you with 10 key steps to help you successfully launch your own small business. Step 1. Identify your passion and niche. Start by thinking about what you are passionate about and what you are knowledgeable about. This will help you identify your niche and focus your business idea. For example, if you love cooking and have extensive knowledge about healthy eating, you may consider starting a healthy meal delivery service. Consider your interests, skills, and experience when identifying your passion and niche. This will help ensure that you enjoy and excel in your business venture. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you've identified your niche, it's important to conduct market research to determine the potential demand for your products or services. This will help you understand your target market and identify potential competitors. Research can be conducted through online searches, surveys, and interviews with potential customers. This will provide valuable insights into the needs and preferences of your target market and help you determine the best strategies to reach and serve them. Step 3. Create a business plan. A business plan will help you organize your thoughts and ideas and provide a roadmap for your business. It should include a description of your business, your target market, your marketing and sales strategies, and your financial projections. Your business plan should also include a timeline for achieving your business goals and a budget for expenses and investments. This will provide a clear and comprehensive overview of your business and serve as a reference and guide for your operations. Step 4. Choose a business structure. Decide on the type of business structure that is best suited to your needs. Options include sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or limited liability company, LLC. Each business structure has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to consider your specific needs and circumstances when making this decision. For example, a sole proprietorship may be suitable for a one-person business, while a corporation may be better for a larger business. Step 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you are starting, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits in order to operate legally. This may include a business license, sales tax permit, or other permits required by your state or local government. It's important to research the specific requirements for your business and apply for the necessary licenses and permits. This will ensure that your business complies with all applicable laws and regulations and avoid any potential penalties or legal issues. Step 6. Choose a business name and register it. Select a unique and memorable business name and register it with the appropriate government agency. This will help protect your business and ensure that you have exclusive rights to use the name. Your business name should be easy to remember, relevant to your business, and not already in use by another business. Consider using a name that reflects your brand, mission, or values, and avoid names that are similar to other businesses in your industry. Step 7. Set up a business bank account. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is important for tax and legal purposes. Set up a business bank account to manage your business finances. This will make it easier to track your income and expenses and prepare for tax time. Your business bank account should have a separate routing and account number from your personal account and should be used exclusively for your business transactions. This will help you maintain accurate and organized financial records and make it easier to manage your business finances. Step 8. Create a website. A website is essential for any small business. It should provide information about your business, your products or services, and how to contact you. Your website should be easy to navigate, professional looking, and mobile friendly. Your website should also include a clear call to action, such as a button to make a purchase or request more information. This will provide potential customers with the information they need to learn about your business and make a decision to buy from you. Step 9. Use social media to promote your business. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching potential customers and building your brand. Use social media platforms to promote your business, engage with customers, and share updates and news. This will help you connect with your target audience and build a loyal customer base. Choose the social media platforms that are most relevant to your business and target market, and create engaging and informative content to share with your followers. This will help you reach more people and increase awareness of your business. Step 10. Start selling. Once you have taken care of the necessary steps to launch your business, it's time to start selling your products or services. This can be done through your website, online marketplaces, or other sales channels. It's important to have a clear and effective sales strategy in place to reach and convert potential customers. This may include offering discounts or promotions, providing excellent customer service, and using effective marketing techniques to promote your business. By starting to sell your products or services, you will generate income for your business and begin to see the fruits of your hard work and dedication. Starting a small business can be a challenging but rewarding endeavor. By following these 10 simple steps, you can successfully launch your own small business and start making money from your passion and expertise. With determination, hard work, and a solid plan, you can achieve your business goals and build a successful and sustainable business. Knowledge is the key to becoming a successful entrepreneur. Smash that subscribe button for weekly videos like this. You should watch this next video here for more tips.